Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Vietnam. How are you?
I feel sleepy.
You feel sleepy?
Yeah.
Oh no. Did I wake you up from nap? Did you just wake up? You have a loud music there. Ah, hello.
Uh,
Did you did you just wake up? Did you just wake up?
no.
No. Are you about to sleep?
No.
No. But you are sleepy. Okay. We're going to have 1 hour class today, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Thank you. For proceed to your book. Where is your book?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. There's your book. Wait, I'm struggling. Wait lang. Wait. Where did I have this? Here it is. Global success. Global success 6. We were going to do it. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, open your book to the unit test review.
Review one.
What page?
36.
36. Okay, this one. Oh, we have a lot to do today, Vietlam. Are you ready?
Mm, I don't know.
Drink your water. You should drink water because this is drink water, okay? Okay?
Okay.
So have we finished this one?
Yes.
Then we're going to this one. Write the name of school things and furniture in the house which begin with B and P. Okay?
Okay.
What school things and furniture begins with B?
Những thứ hay ho
What?
và đồ dùng học tập và đồ nội thất bắt đầu bằng chữ B là gì?
B. Letter B. For example, book.
Book.
What else?
Bag.
Bag. Okay, very good. You write it there. You write it here. Okay? Book, bag, what else?
Table.
B. It starts with B. You can find in your house and in school.
Ah,
What B? What things starts with B?
table.
No, not table. It starts with letter T. It starts only with letter B. B. Oh, I will give you oh,
Bathroom. No, no, no.
bag for school. One, you give me one for house.
What?
Huh?
What?
Board. Okay, very good. Board. What else? What else?
I don't know.
How
This
about
difficult.
how about in house?
Clock.
Letter
No.
B. Letter B. Inside your house, what can you see? Even a furniture. Sit bed, right? Bed.
Yes, bed.
Okay, bed. What else? Blanket. Okay. Okay, how about for letter P? P.
The
For
um
example, pen.
pen.
What else?
Picture.
Picture. Very good. Are you looking inside your book? Don't look. Don't
Hmm.
don't don't look inside your book. This is a practice test or review. What else? See, look around. Look around. Look inside your house. Letter P.
Fan.
What?
Fan.
Pan?
No.
Is it the cooking pan? Is it a cooking pan?
Đây có phải là một cái chảo nấu ăn không?
Okay, what else? One more, one more.
Pencil case.
Pencil case. Very good. Pencil case. Pencil case? Did you say pencil case?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Pencil case. Okay, now let's go. We are going to complete these words.
Mm. Number one is
Number one is
uh, uh,
you want to skip this one?
yes.
Do you want to skip this? We're going to answer that later, okay?
Bạn có muốn bỏ qua phần này không? Chúng tôi sẽ trả lời vấn đề đó sau nhé.
What are you doing like that? Okay, how about this one? Write the
Play,
words in correct group.
play, play badminton.
Okay, later. We're going to do that later, okay? Crossword puzzle first. She likes to meet, number one down. She likes to meet new people. She is,
Clever.
what? Clever?
I don't know.
Is it clever?
Nó có thông minh không?
Friendly.
Oh,
Friendly.
okay. It's. Wait, let's try. Oh, no, no, no.
No, no, no. No. Friend.
No.
Friend. Friend.
Fra spell. You spell.
F.
F. Wait. Okay, it's F.
I.
It's friend. Friendly.
R.
R. Next.
E.
Is it E or I? Friend. Friendly. It's E, right?
Yes.
After that, we have
N.
N. After that,
E.
D. After that,
L.
L and
N. E.
Y. Friendly. Okay?
O.
Friendly. Number two. Number two down.
People cook meat in this room.
Oh. What room do we cook?
Kitchen.
Very good. Here. Put it here. Key. K.
Say um E. I.
I.
T.
T.
C.
C.
Um. Nah. Uh. Uh. Yes.
What's that? Letter H. H.
S.
Oh. Next,
E.
E and
N.
N. Very good. Oh, you put it there. You write it there.
Oh.
Yeah, you're going to write it. Why are you sad?
I don't know.
Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. 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 Kitchen.
I'm finished.
Okay, it's kit.
No, no, no. I'm finished.
Ah,
Number one,
okay.
two.
Okay, number four.
You here with them. Ah,
What's this?
ear,
Ear. Two ears. So, two ears. So, ears. You spell ears.
ears.
E,
A,
A,
R,
R,
S.
S. Ears. Okay? Can you read number three? There, number three. Up there, up.
Oh, number three.
Yeah, what does it say for number three? This one. Up there.
Oh, he's good at drawing. He is very
Good at drawing.
Uh, the intelligent? No, no, no.
No,
Clever?
no, no, no.
No, no, no.
Oh, you can open your book na. You can open your book. Search for it. This is just for review, but for exam, no looking at your book, okay?
Okay.
Đây chỉ là để ôn tập, nhưng để thi thì không được nhìn vào sách của bạn nhé.
Active.
Active? Active, when you are active, you join a lot of activities.
Bạn năng động, bạn tham gia rất nhiều hoạt động.
Says?
Creative.
Okay, creative. Can you say it? Creative.
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 Sáng tạo.
Okay, creative. So you write it there, creative. Page 36. Okay, number 5. You read number 5.
It is a side of the face below the eye.
Oh, what is this? Side of the face. Where is the side of your face? Oh, what's that? What's this? Side of the face, below eyes.
Nose.
No, side of the face, below eyes. What is this? We call this
This cheek.
cheek, okay? We call this cheek. Very good, cheek. Okay, you're good? You finish?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to the other one. There is a blackboard. Okay, you will look at the picture of a classroom and choose the best answer, A, B, or C. Look at the picture of a classroom and you choose the best answer, A, B, or C. Number 1, you read number 1.
There is a blackboard and a clock. The wall.
Oh, what is? In, on, or behind?
In.
In?
No. On.
On, okay. Be careful with in, on, and behind. Take note of that, okay? On. You write letter B. On. You write on. Okay?
Yes.
Number 2.
A vase of flowers is on the teacher's desk.
Where? Letter?
A.
Okay, put it there. You write letter A. Okay, number 3.
A boy and 3 girls are in the classroom.
Okay, in the classroom. Okay, they are inside, right? Inside the classroom. Next.
The window is next to the big door.
Very good. Next to the big door.
A girl is reading her book now.
Okay, very good. Reading. Ah, is reading her book now. Okay, very good. Next one. Number 6. Complete the sentences with present simple or present continuous form of verbs in brackets. Okay, present simple or present continuous. Okay,
Okay.
number 1.
We can go now. It rain.
It
Rain.
rain.
Yes.
It is.
It is.
It is raining, right?
Why?
It is raining. Present continuous. It happens now. Okay? It says now, so it is raining.
I'm finished.
Okay, number 2.
Uh, what time you breakfast every day?
What time do you have or had? What time did you put do here? Do you have breakfast every day? Okay? So what time do you have? Okay? Ah, no, no, no. No, no. Wait. What is your answer? Is it is or are here? What time is or are?
Is.
Is. What time is you? What time is you or what time are you?
Are you?
Okay, what time are you?
Have.
Have or what is the
Has.
present continuous of have? It
Has.
says having, okay? Having. Okay, having. Okay?
Okay.
Next, number 3.
Um, is she? No, 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 no,
Okay,
no,
correct.
no, no,
Is
no.
correct. That's correct.
Is she studying
Okay,
English now?
very good. Is she studying English now? Okay. Are you studying English now? Is Vietnam studying English now?
I don't know.
Yes, he is. Number 4.
My dog liking my my bed very much.
Is it liking,
No, like
like, or likes?
less.
Oh, it's likes. It's singular. It's only one, right? So we use likes. Okay. Next one.
Hmm. My mother um do no is not
Is not.
cook now,
Is not cook.
not cooking.
Okay. Is not cooking now. Or you put there is not cooking. Okay. Next one.
Yes.
What is the next one?
Reading.
Okay. Reading. You put it there. Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
Mm.
Oh, this is a lot. It's okay. Before we proceed to Unit 4. Reading. Okay? You're going to read this one.
Oh no.
Read from Anne at fastmail.com to
Nick, uh,
at
and
at
fastmod.com.
.com.
.com.
Okay, very good. What is the subject?
My best friend.
Okay. Please read it now.
Hi,
And
Nick.
choose A, B, or C for each blank in the email below. You choose A, B, or C. Okay?
Okay.
Why are you sad?
I don't know.
Are you sad? Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Okay? It's okay. You start. Hi, Nick. You start with hi, Nick.
Hi, Nick. It's great to hear you from you. I want to tell you about my best friend. My grandma is my best friend. She is 16. No, no, no.
She is
She,
68
yes,
old. 68 years old.
yes. She is 68 years old. She lives with our family.
Okay, you put it there. You put leaves.
She was a math teacher
Oh, like me, I'm a math teacher and English teacher.
for
Number two
for
is,
secondary school.
okay, 4. Very good. 4.
Um, she like getting up early and watering the flowers in our garden.
Okay, you put water, you put getting. Very good.
She, She usually get me with my homework.
Okay, very good.
In the evening, she tells me interesting story. She also listens for me when
For, is it for?
good
She also listens to
to
me, okay?
me when I'm sad. I love grandma very much. How about you? Who's your best friend? Bye bye. And
Bye-bye. Okay. Okay, very good. You did well for that. You only missed two. It should be two, okay? Listens to me. Listen to me, or you can say that, okay? Not listen for me. Okay? Number two,
read and text
read
and
the text. Read the text and answer the questions.
yeah.
Okay, we have
My school. My new school is in a quiet place, not far from the city center. It had three buildings.
wait, Vietnam, wait. Please,
Vui lòng,
if the meeting ends, you will
nếu
join.
cuộc họp,
When this meeting ends, you should join again, okay?
khi cuộc họp này kết thúc, bạn nên tham gia lại nhé.
Okay,
Okay.
very good. Okay. Please continue. It has
It had three buildings and a large yard. This
large
is
yard.
large yard. Yeah. This year there are um 26 classrooms with more than 100 students. My school, most students are hard working and kind. The school has about 40 teachers. They are helpful and friendly. My school has different
Clubs.
dance
You mentioned letter S. Okay, clubs.
clubs, dance, English, art, football, and basketball. I like English, so I am in the English club. I love my school because it is a good school.
Okay. Now you're going to answer these questions. What is the writer's new school?
Yes,
What is the writer's new school? It is a
it's
you can read it at the end of the text. In here. It's a...
News is a wood school.
Okay, you put it there. You write it there. Okay.
Okay.
Number 2.
What are the students like?
The students are...
The student like English.
The students are...
The students are hardworking and kind.
Okay, the students are hardworking and kind. Okay, what the number 3 question?
Um, what are the teachers like?
Okay,
They are helpful and friendly.
okay, they are helpful and friendly. And number 4?
Why does the right love?
Number 4.
Oh no, no. How many clubs are there in the school? Six clubs.
Is it 6?
Yes.
Dance, English, arts, football, and basketball. Isn't it 5?
This is five.
Okay. They have 5 clubs. And number 5?
Why does the writer love the school? Because he
It is
like English
because it is
and
a good...
good school.
Okay. The question number 1 is where. Okay, where? Not far from the city center.
City teacher.
Okay, number 1, not far from the city center. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. We can skip this first. Okay.
Yes.
And this one later. This one we will go to writing. And then we will go back to this one, and the other one. Okay?
Okay.
Khi cuộc họp này kết thúc, bạn nên tham gia lại nhé.
Okay? You join again,
Okay.
okay? Let's do writing. Write an email about 50 words to your friend.
No.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Tell him about a family member.
Hi,
Okay?
Stickman.
You are going to tell him about a family member.
Bạn sẽ kể cho anh ấy nghe về một thành viên trong gia đình.
Okay.
Okay? For example, we have hi.
Hi, Stickman.
Okay? You read thanks.
Thanks for your email. Now I tell you about my